લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે પ્રોબેબિલિટી ટાઈપ 1 એના 1 થી લઈ અને 5 સમ સુધી કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 6. A bag contains 7 red, 12 white and 4 green ball. What is the probability that 3 ball drawn are all white ball, 3 ball drawn are one of each color? Now there are 7 red, 12 white and 4 green balls. Total there are 7 plus 12 plus 4, that is 23 ball. Out of these 23, 3 ball are selected. First condition, all the 3 balls are white color. M, favorable result, all the 3 are white. There are total 12 white ball. Out of 12, 3 will be selected. Total result, N is equal to total 23 ball. Out of 23, 3 will be selected. Probability, P of x is equal to favorable result divided by total result. So M divided by N. Favorable result 12C3, total result 23C3. So 12 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 10, that is 1320, divided by 3 divided by 2, that is 220. 23C3, 23 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 21, that is 10626, divided by 3 divided by 2, that is 1771. This is your first answer. Second, one of each color ball, એટલે કે દરેક કલરનો એક બોલ સિલેક્ટ થાય. So one white and one black, sorry, one red, one white and one green. One red, one white and one green. Favorable result, one red color ball. Red total 7, out of 7 1 will be selected, 7C1. Probability ma khas and means multiplication or means submission. And multiplication, 1 white, there are total 12 white, out of 12 1 will be selected. And 4 green, out of 4 green 1 will be selected, 4C1. So 7C1 7, 12C1 12, 4C1 4. 7 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 4, 336. Probability is equal to favorable result divided by total result. So P of x is equal to M divided by N. M 336 and 23C3, જે ઓલરેડી આપણી પાસે છે 1771. So 336 divided by 1771. This is your answer. Next example, example number 7. 4 cards are drawn from a full pack of cards. Find the probability that there is one card of each set. દરેક સેટમાંથી એક કાર્ડ સિલેક્ટ થાય. 2 cards are spade and 2 are heart. All the 4 cards are king. All the 4 cards are spade and one of them is queen. Two cards are black color and two are red color. Okay, first one. There are one card of each set. There are one card of each set. Favorable result: one club card and one spade card and one heart card and one diamond card. There are total 13 club cards. Out of 13, one will be selected. One spade card. Out of 13 spade card, one will be selected. One heart card. Out of 13 heart card, one will be selected. One diamond card. Out of 13 diamond card, one will be selected. So 13C1 13, 13C1 13, 13C1 13, 13C1 13. Yeah, 13 multiplied by 13, 13 multiplied by 13. 28561. Now n means total result. There are 52 cards. Out of 52, 4 will be selected. So 52 multiplied by 51 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 49, 6497400, divided by 4 factorial, એટલે કે 4 divided by 3 divided by 2, 270725, 270725. Now probability: favorable result divided by total result. Favorable result for one card of each set is 28561. Total result 270725. So this is your first answer, 28561 divided by 270725. Second, 2 cards are spade and 2 are heart. 2 cards are spades and 2 are heart. Favorable result: out of 13 spade card, 2 card is selected, 13C2. N means multiplication. Out of 2 heart card, 1 out of 13 heart card, 2 are selected, 13C2. So 13C2, 13 multiplied by 12 divided by 2, 78 multiplied by 78, 6084. N already આપણી પાસે છે 270. Total 52 cards. Out of 52, 4 will be selected, 270725. Now probability: P of x is equal to m divided by n. 6084 divided by 270725. This is your second answer. Third, all the 4 are king. All the 4 are king. Favorable result: out of 4 king, 4 will be selected, 4C4, that is 1, and there are total 52 playing cards. Out of 52, 4 will be selected. That is 270725. So probability is equal to favorable result divided by total result. So P of x is equal to m by n. M1 divided by 270725. This is your third answer. Fourth, all the 4 cards are spade and one of them is queen. All the 4 are spade and one of them is queen. One of them is queen. Okay. Favorable result. One queen is selected, spade queen. And one spade queen and 3 other spade card. So one spade queen, there are one spade queen in 52 cards. Out of 1 will be selected. There are remaining total, there are 13 spade cards. Out of 1 is queen. So remaining 12 cards. Out of 12, 3 will be selected. So 1C1 multiplied by 12C3. 1C1, 1, 12C3, 12, 11, 10. That is 1320 divided by 3 divided by 2. That is 220. 220 multiplied by 1, 220. This is M. Total result N. Out of 52, 4 will be selected. 270725. Probability P of x is equal to favorable result divided by total result. M divided by N. Favorable result 220 divided by 270725. This is your answer. Next, last, fifth. 2 cards are black color and 2 are red color. Color ની વાત છે. 2 are black color and 2 are red color. There are total 13 multiplied by 2, that is 26. Spade and club both નો કલર કેવો હોય? બ્લેક હોય. રેડ અને ડાયમંડ બેયનો કલર કેવો હોય? રેડ હોય. એટલે કે 13 plus 13 26 black color card, 13 plus 13 26 red color card. So M favorable result. Out of 26 black color card, 2 will be selected. Out of 26 red color card, 2 will be selected. 26C2 multiplied by 26C2. 26 multiplied by 25 by 2, 325. Multiplied by 325. That is 105625. Total result N is equal to total 52 card. Out of 52, 4 will be selected. 270725. Probability P of x is equal to favorable result divided by total result M by N. 105625 divided by 270275. This is your fifth answer. Next example, example number 8. What is the chance that leap year selected at a random will contain 53 Sunday? Now, leap year કોને કહેવાય? સૌથી પહેલા તો તો કે જે યરની અંદર ફેબ્રુઆરી મંથની અંદર 29 ડેઝ હોય એવા યરને લીપ યર કહેવાય. ઓકે, લીપ યર ક્યુ યર હોઈ શકે? તો કે જે યર ડિવિઝિબલ બાય 4 હોય એ લીપ યર હોઈ શકે. સે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 2008, તો 2008 એને ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 4 કરીએ તો આન્સર આવે 502. તો 2008 છે એ લીપ યર છે. 2012, 2016, કરંટ યર 2020 એ લીપ યર છે. એટલે કે જે યરને ડિવાઇડ 4 થઈ શકે એ યર લીપ યર હોય. નાઉ સમમાં, what is the chance of leap year selected at a random will contain 53 Sunday? In normal year there are 52 weeks. કોઈ પણ યરની અંદર 52 કમ્પ્લીટ અઠવાડિયા હોય, અઠવાડિયા 52 વીક. સો લીપ યરની અંદર ટોટલ કેટલા ડેઝ હોય? ટોટલ ડેઝ ઇન લીપ યર, નોર્મલ યર હોય એની અંદર કેટલા ડેઝ હોય? 365 ડેઝ. લીપ યર હોય એની અંદર ફેબ્રુઆરીની અંદર એક મંથ એડ થાય એટલે ટોટલ કેટલા ડેઝ થશે? 366 ડેઝ. 366 ડેઝ. ટોટલ 52 વીક્સ ઇન યર. સો 1 વીક એની અંદર 7 ડેઝ હોય તો 52 વીકના કેટલા ડે થાય? 52 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 7, 364 ડેઝ. સો 2 days are remaining. એટલે કે લીપ યરની અંદર 364 ડેઝ એ વીકના થશે અને એક્સ્ટ્રા 2 days થશે. એટલે એ 2 days ક્યાં હોઈ શકે? remaining 2 days will be ક્યાં હોઈ શકે? રિમેનિંગ 2 days સન્ડે, તો એના પછીનો ડેઝ કયો હોય? મંડે. મંડે એના પછીનો ડેઝ કયો હોય? ટ્યુઝડે. ટ્યુઝડે એના પછીનો ડેઝ કયો હોય? વેડનસડે. વેડનસડે એના પછીનો ડેઝ કયો હશે? થર્સડે. થર્સડે એના પછીનો ડેઝ કયો હશે? ફ્રાઈડે. ફ્રાઈડે એના પછીનો ડેઝ કયો હશે? સેટરડે. સેટરડે એના પછીનો ડેઝ કયો હશે? સન્ડે. તો રિમેનિંગ 2 ડેઝની અંદર આટલા દિવસો હોઈ શકે: સન્ડે મંડે, મંડે ટ્યુઝડે, ટ્યુઝડે વેડનસડે, વેડનસડે થર્સડે, થર્સડે ફ્રાઈડે, ફ્રાઈડે સેટરડે, સેટરડે સન્ડે. ટોટલ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ટોટલ there are 7 results of event. So n is equal to 7. Now આપણે કેટલા સન્ડે જોઈએ છે? 52. ઓલરેડી 52 વીકની અંદર 52 સન્ડે આવી ગયા હશે, પણ જે એક્સ્ટ્રા ડેઝ છે એની અંદર એક સન્ડે આવે તો 53 સન્ડે થઈ જાય. તો એક્સ્ટ્રા ડેઝની અંદર સન્ડે ક્યાં રિઝલ્ટમાં છે? તો કે સન્ડે મંડે એન્ડ સેટરડે સન્ડે. બે રિઝલ્ટ એવા છે કે જેની અંદર સન્ડે આવે છે, તો ફેવરેબલ રિઝલ્ટ થશે 2. Now probability P of x is equal to favorable result divided by total result. Favorable result for 2 Sunday is 2 and total result there are 7 days. So probability of 53 Sunday in a leap year is 2/7. This is your answer. Here our example is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.